Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. I welcome you in your new class. Now I'm going to discuss Islamic integration. Seeking knowledge is a duty of every Muslim, men or women. Tirmidhi Hadith 218. So in this Hadith we have given a clear message that we have to get the knowledge, and it is obligatory for women and all Muslims, either it is men or women. Introduction to Science, Book 1, Learning Outcome. What is science? Branches of science. Define different branches of science, and we'll discuss some of the basic skill in this lecture, inshallah ta'ala. So first we have to come towards what is science. Science is what scientists do, and science is trying to explain the world around us. Science is a way of thinking. Science is a system of knowledge based on facts or principle. Book talks about social science. We prefer social studies and all these things. Now we talk about the branches of science. The branches of science can be divided into biological science, physical science, and earth science. And then we talk about the physical science, the physics. The physical science can be divided into physics, chemistry, science of matter and energy. Now we are coming to the branches of science. You can see the biological science. The biological sciences can be divided into zoology, botany, ecology, science of living things. Now we are coming towards the earth science, that is called geology, meteorology, astronomy, the system of the earth. Branches of science. There are many more branches to biological and earth sciences. The three categories overlap: biochemistry, astrobiology, and geophysics. The scientific method. The way of thinking about and solving problem. It is a logical method. You do it all the time. Scientific method. What is scientific method? Start with observation. Can be anything. Then question. What do you want to know? Gather data. What is already known. From hypothesis, a possible explanation. Design experiment to test hypothesis. This is the hard part. Now we can see there are so many things happen around us, and we get the observation. Suppose you are sitting in a room and the light has gone. So you will observe the light has gone. This is observation. Then the question comes in your mind, what happened with the light? And then you are going to go outside and going to get the collect the data. What happened? Light has gone. Either bulb fuse, there is some kind of load shedding or whatever these things. And then you make the hypothesis, and then you design the experiment to solve these things. So we'll discuss in detail, inshallah ta'ala. Then we have scientific method. We have experiment to generate more observation, allow us to draw in conclusion about how the hypothesis, then support the hypothesis or not, if not modify hypothesis. Now here I have given you a little bit chart for that scientific method. The first we have to observe, the second arrow moving toward the formulate a question, and then you are going to collect the data, then you are going to make a hypothesis. Hypothesis, the first question comes in your mind, then experiment to test your hypothesis. Your experiment about, if your question is that and you are going to do some experiment, and if your experiment is not going to be correct, then you will have to get again, you collect observation, then observation, then observation, and then you draw the conclusion. Here you can see that scientific method does not always work this way, but give a way of guiding or thinking. Hard part is testing only one variable at a time, changing only one thing at a time. If you change more than one, you don't know which one is the cause. So I have given you a little bit idea about the scientific method. So in the upcoming class, inshallah ta'ala, we'll discuss about in detail, inshallah ta'ala. So till here, jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.